Hello, Blazer Bros and S10 enthusiasts and whoever you are. Well, I'm at it again with S10. I was just kind of tripping out on the fact that I think I started this in August and it's now March. I got the connection rod bearings on, but now I'm gonna do a little bit of something I learned from the Humble Mechanic. The Humble Mechanic is a Volkswagen guy. But anyways, I'm kind of like a accidental Chevy guy. But anyways, enough about me. Let's look at the job now. Low pads. I don't know, depends on where you, whatever you want to call them. But I got them from the 99-cent store. And now the task at hand, before I put the pan on and stuff, is cleaning the surface of where the pan is gonna go, right? Yeah, see, I started here already. It's getting there. This side's dirty, so I'm gonna show you a little bit of I'm gonna squeeze some of the water out of it and see. I'm just gonna scrub here. I'm gonna scrub all of here. All the surfaces of where the gas is gonna go, you want to scrub really good. I haven't posted the full video yet of me taking the oil pan off in the first place, but trust me, it wasn't an easy job. I'm actually laying under where the differential is supposed to go. See, it attaches right across here. That was the only way to get this pan out, and removing all the steering stuff and whatever, but I got it off. But anyways, I'm not gonna bore you with all this cleaning. I had to switch hands because my hand was getting cramped up. I'm laying down, I'm working against gravity, so it's a little bit of a challenge. But here, I have my safety goggles on because I got like lots of freaking WD-40 in my freaking eyeballs when I was doing these rod bearings. But anyways, scrub. Now I got some stuff in my mouth, so I guess I should have a mouth protection too, but I use some of this Goo-Gone to clean just the area of where the gasket's gonna go, because I don't want anything between the gasket and these surfaces. It looks pretty clean. I'm gonna go get a rag and I'm going to wipe off all this surface right here, and then I'm going to attach the oil pump, and then I'm going to tell you some story about the oil pump, why you can't remove the oil pan without getting the differential off and all that business. Oh, there's an airplane. Look at an airplane. Oh yes, there's always airplanes. But today I'm going to share with you some very, very important information about doing an oil change. Yes, an oil change. And I'm going to just share with you just a little bit of what I know. I'm just a scientist. I'm just a Chevy scientist by default. A Chevy scientist by default. Oh yes I am. Anyways.